Demonstrate to you how we use the XMate M.N.B. This is one of our mating disruption products that come in a 10 hectare box and individually packed in 1 hectare foil pouches. So for the XMate M.N.B, there will be 30 devices in a foil pouch. Once the foil pouch has been opened and the XMate device has been removed, you do not cut or poke holes or open this device. It has a passive release method that it will release through the membrane. So once you've got this and you've got your tree clip, insert your tree clip into the hole provided and your device is ready to be applied to the tree.
Your tree clip into your XMate device, it's ready to be applied to the tree. You insert this pin into the 5mm hole provided in the XMate applicating pole. You apply your XMate 1/3 up into the tree and choose a sturdy branch, roughly your index finger size. Give it a quick jab and your XMate device is applied.